Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. And I got to start out by saying this, guys. Congratulations. Yesterday, if you guys were following the Telegram channel, we officially won our 45th for 45th trade, and we did end up winning our 46th for 46th trade down here. 46 was on Matic, and the 45th was on Bitcoin, guys. Super awesome. So let's go over this. I was looking for this move up here yesterday, and I'll tell you guys what I showed the group over here. I'll show you guys how to get this in this video. Don't worry. We are live trading on every single one of these videos, and today you guys can get in trades with me, and you can start taking them and start making some money. Like, isn't that why you guys are watching YouTube videos? Like, to make some money. I said, hey everybody, the market is going down while we have the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion either at the bottom or heading up. This is where I was calling this yesterday, right around this area. We're at the bottom or heading up, and the price looked like it was going down. Okay, this could be a divergence pattern forming. So if we do keep going down, watch for the bear trap and then it move back up. Okay, I say all that to say this, guys. The bear trap did end up taking place. I've watched these crypto charts for over 3,000 hours I've traded. This was telling me that we were seeing it move back up. I'll show you how I predicted this. It was with the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. It kept me safe. It kept all of you guys safe, and it actually helped you guys win 2 more trades yesterday. So you need to know this, guys. Today's the 30th. This is the last day. Tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm upping the price of the trend exhaustion. The sale only went till the end of this month. Today's the last day. Like, literally, we're moving into the last hours of the sale. So basically, one more day left. I'm upping the price tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Very quickly, I'm not going to spend much time on this. I'm going to get out of the way in the beginning because I want you guys to understand how I was able to predict this. In the description, go to indicators. Also go to the first comment, go to indicators. It basically says, get our trading view indicators. Here's the trend exhaustion right here. Here's the trend dashboard. Here's the price versus the well money flow. I am upping the price of this next month. I promise you guys. I am going to be keeping this the same though. So the bundle pack is the best deal if you want all of our indicators to be able to predict these moves like I'm doing. Let me show you guys the power of these indicators now. So yesterday, here's what we ended up getting. We got a low and we tried to push to a lower low, but we didn't get that. Basically is what you can call a double bottom formation. What I was calling out in that Telegram channel and I was telling you guys to be aware of is that we had the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow either heading up here while the price was moving down, so it was moving up, or it was at the bottom. This is what's called divergence on the chart. Now, a divergence is usually where you see the price action create a low and a lower low, but this was enough of a confirmation for me to call that out to you guys, because what was happening here is the trend exhaustion is going to lead the way. Listen, guys, this is literally going to lead the way and tell you where the price is going to go before it goes there, okay? So if you guys see this at the bottom, and then I mentioned this to you guys before, if you see it at the bottom and it heads up and then it starts heading back down, you need to be careful because this is where the fast moves come back up in the market. Everything happened perfectly as predicted here. That is why you guys need this on the chart. Watch this. You push to the bottom, you push to the bottom. What happened over here was the same thing. You had a low, and then you had a lower low formation, and then we ended up seeing this move back up. Why? Money flow. The money flow is in green, guys. This started moving upwards. Money flowed into the market while price action was heading down, as well as the trend exhaustion moving up. This pumped the price, guys, and this is how we were able to call this exit yesterday for 5.68%. So if you're in this trade, you didn't get that Telegram update, I called this exit. I would be exiting 50% of your Bitcoin trade right now for a 5.68% win and move the rest of your trade to a sell stop, also known as what's called a stop loss in your Coinbase or whatever accounts you guys are trading. Congrats, guys. This is the 45th for 45th winning trade. Let me show you guys something else I'm looking at here to predict the future a little bit so you guys can hold the indicators accountable because they are so accurate. Watch this. When you guys start seeing the trend exhaustion move up, I'm just so jacked. Guys, you're doing so well. Like, wait for the testimonials I'm going to upload tomorrow of people, what they've done just in the last week. It's insane. Okay, watch this. Trend exhaustion moving up into the top red section. The well money flow moving in the top red section. Double confirmation that you guys should not be going long. You should be going short, or you should at least be getting ready and putting your buy limits in for our long trades. This was clearly telling us that we were not going to be heading up and this was due for a move back down. Okay, we also were able to call the top up here with the top of the trend exhaustion being in the top red zone, as well as money flow in green being at the top sections over here. Yes, we were able to call this drop back down. Okay, I say all that to say this. Watch this on the chart. We are going to go over the metrics today for Bitcoin because I want to make that very clear. We are going to be going over this, but I want to just finish this up real quick, and we will go over the emotional index and everything. When this pushes up to the top red section, I mentioned this yesterday. I said when we get to the top section up here and when we start pushing up to the top area for the price versus the well money flow, this is where I'm looking to take a 50 to 25% exit. I am still looking to take an exit up here, which will probably be about 25% when we get up there. All right? All you guys need to do if you want to start trading with me is follow these steps here. I'm going to do it very fast in this video, and I'm going to move on. You guys have your membership. It's $49 a month. It's the cheapest thing you'll ever do. Here's some proof of how much people are making. Here's $1,100. Here's $5,000 in 1 week, by the way. These are weekly testimonials. This is what they do in 7 days. $1,000, $5,000. 24 hours did $1,280. My point being, $1,000 again here. It's ridiculous. $7,000 here. This $49 a month is ridiculously cheap. Just get over here and get in here. We haven't lost a trade yet. Here's what you're going to do. For Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other coins, if you want to trade this with us, click on this. You're going to see a chart that looks exactly like this. And yes, I did update some of the buy limits today. 88 first buy limit did get updated. A lot of the others stayed where they're at since we're moving back up so you guys can get tagged in. But here's what you're going to do. If you have $1,000, you're going to put 4 buy limits in your exchange. This is so simple, guys. $1,000, 25% at each level. 250, 250, 250, 250. First buy limit gets hit. Come up here, guys. Set your sell limit. That's all you're doing. Once you do this, you guys come down here, click the Telegram. This is going to be hidden for access for once you guys have your membership. Click the live link, and it will automatically add you to the Telegram channel over here. All right? Last thing you need to do is do not forget to get these indicators because I'm raising the price. At minimum, guys, I'm not trying to do like a hard sell here. At least, if you don't want the bundle pack, fine. At least get the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow and the trend dashboard so you guys can copy my charts here and understand how I'm using these so you can do your analysis every day. The trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow is super important. Okay, let's move on here. Let's do this. Let's look at the full metrics for Bitcoin, guys. This is so fun. I'm shooting for 50 for 50 wins by next month, and we'll see if we can get there. I think it's possible, so we'll see. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update, which is in about an hour and 40 minutes. Okay, I've been telling you guys to watch this every single day. When we are in the anxious section, especially fearful, we're not there yet, but when we're in the anxious section, this tells you guys what retail traders are feeling and they're doing. They are selling because they're anxious. This is clear. This has been happening because we saw a big sell-off right here. What do I tell you guys and what do I do? We trade with the whales, the institutions, and the smart money. I can show you guys this because they've been accumulating long trades. And if you guys watch this, look at this right here with me. You guys can actually see that these bars are increasing as the last 3 days have gone on. Why is that? Is because price action is headed down. A lot of YouTube channels are calling this thing to just keep dropping out and keep dropping out. I'm not saying they're wrong in that prediction, although I do think we have a bull run coming more than a big fast move back down. But here's what you guys need to be doing. Get on the right side of the market. It is not time to be selling into this market, guys. It is time to be buying. I'll show you guys proof over here as well of why I think that's true. This over here is showing us what smart money is doing. They are accumulating long trades. That is what we are doing. We got into a trade. You guys won the trade. You're up 5.68% on 25% of your position, and you guys are moving this to a break even. Great job. You won this trade. You also won the Matic trade where you guys won 9.81% yesterday. Guys, these trades are happening like 24 to 48 hours apart once the entry is made. So you guys need to get over there and join the Telegram channel, get the indicators so you can get exits, and follow me over here. You guys are going to have a blast. I guarantee it. Okay, watch this. Setups for Thursday and Friday, what we can be looking for. Bitcoin is still seeing these long trades move out of the market here. I want you guys to watch what happens when this metric updates this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, about an hour and a half. If over the next few days we can start seeing the long trades increase here, in short trades, I don't care if they go down or whatever, as long as they at least stay the same or they go down, this is going to be a very bullish sign for Bitcoin in my opinion. And I do think this is going to start pushing the price back up here and we could start moving back up very quickly. Okay, watch that very closely. Long versus short trade risk. This did push down to the great long trade section and the good long trade section. This is why, guys, we are in long trades and we're making money and we're guaranteeing ourselves more wins on this channel. Everything has been transparent, guys. Like, I think you're going to really enjoy this system because this is the only system where I literally get messages where people are like, man, Travis, I really hope the price goes down further once we're in a long trade so we can get more money into the market. It's weird, guys. Like, once you start understanding the strategy, you don't care if the price goes up or down. You won't. Once you start understanding this, like, let me prove this to you for a second because this will take your emotions out of the market and help you guys win. picture this with me. This is literally what our traders are doing. They're entering in, and you can do this right now. You can enter into Bitcoin at this buy limit that's going to be updated here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is going to stay the same here, by the way, okay, because we're above it right now. What people are doing is they're entering in right here. If the price goes up, we all make money. That's awesome. But if the price goes down and hits our second buy limit, our entry price actually moves in between here as a break-even entry, because you take the first entry price plus the second entry price and divide it by 2. Okay, now if you hit the third buy limit and you go down even further, you take the first price, the second price, and the third price, divide this by 3, and that gives you guys your new break-even entry. Every time this price goes down against us, we're getting a better break-even entry, and our risk-reward is getting better. This is why, excuse me, guys, this is why we have so many people trading this, and why we haven't lost a trade yet is because the risk management is so dialed in here, and I place these far enough apart where we can get hit here and we can make good profits, but you're not putting all your money into the market at the same time. Make sure you guys are following this over here. I think you guys are going to literally have a blast trading this. It's been so much fun to help you guys over email and hear you guys' testimonials. And I'll do some more... I'll do some more tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll make a testimonial Friday. Okay, you guys know this. We're going to accumulate. All right, support resistance prices. Where is Bitcoin going to go? Well, if we start moving up here, I want you guys to watch 45,000, 46,000 very closely. Okay, obviously let's push this up. 45 and 46 is going to push us to this level up here. This is what I'm considering the structure high on the chart, okay? This is also getting us very close to the descending resistance line on the chart here. Obviously that was terrible, but this is what I'm looking at right here, this descending resistance. This is where if we head up to this area about 46,000, I am expecting the trend exhaustion to get up here to the top area. Guys, I've proven it to you. If this hits the top red zone, we're going down, okay? Watch in the past, like every single time we've come up here, we've seen drops in the market here. We saw a drop in the market there. This overextended itself. You guys know clearly about all of that. It dropped here, and I'm expecting this another drop over here. Even when it got up into this barely the red section here, that even was calling a drop as well. So every single time we've pushed up here, we've dropped. Okay, it's not going to be time to FOMO into that move up if this starts going up, but I know a ton of people are going to do that. That what's going to happen is they're going to probably see a break, a retest, and they're going to start moving up here. That's not the time to FOMO in, guys. I'm telling you, that's what people did over here. They saw a break and a retest. They're like, okay, we broke resistance. We're going to move up here. And we're like, no, you guys should not be doing that. Take a look at this over here. You guys see that we're moving up, and it's like, all right, we're going up. And they break this resistance here. Buy stop orders are placed, and the market goes up. And I'm over here like, guys, no, you cannot be buying this. You need to be selling this and getting out of your long trades, because that's when the market is predicting to move back down. These are the two best indicators you guys can get. I coded indicators for TradingView for a living for 2 years ago. I promise you guys, these are some of the best. I don't want to say the best because that just sounds arrogant, but there's a reason why I only use these and we haven't lost trades yet. Okay, dollar cost average entries. If you guys are coming in here, you're placing $1,000 into each one of these green lines. Great job, guys. This is for those of you who want to hold for 5 to 10 years and you just want to hold for the long term. You don't want to do a lot of, managing your exchanges. I totally understand that, guys. That's what this is for you. If you guys want to come here, just hold those, okay? Take a look at this. Exit points. Once we are higher, I'm going to be looking for these other bars to come out for these red signs. This does historically predict the price very nicely before we head back down. You guys can see that here. You can see it here. If this does not see a move back down, what I'm doing is I'm at least looking for percentage exits, such as 25 to 50% exits in the market. Okay, we are still in the golden cross, but this is starting to dip back down again, where we could see this enter into a death cross. What does that mean? Absolutely nothing in my opinion, because I'm not using this for our metrics. I'm using these, guys. These are extremely powerful metrics up here. This down here just tells you that you're either in a death cross or a golden cross. You know what? 75% of the time when we were in a death cross, we actually went up. So that didn't hold true. All right. Let's wrap this video up right here. If you guys want to get in and trade with me, here's what you guys need to do. And you can literally set up a trade right now. Go to tradeconfident.io. Get your membership. This will unlock the entire website for all the metrics here as well as the live trades. Come down here and set up your Bitcoin trade. Set up your Ethereum trade. Set up your ADA trade and your Bitcoin trade, guys. These are the top 3 that I recommend you guys getting into right now. I am in every single one of these trades, guys. Here's proof. I'm in right there. We were at $10,883 yesterday, and we're probably maybe just a little bit higher today. So let's see this update. I'll give it a second. We are 883 up to, okay, we're about 947. So I'm literally live trading with all of you guys. Here's all of my trades. Putting my money where my mouth is. I'm taking trades with you, and I'm calling exits over here. Get your subscription, set up the buy limits. then come down here, click Telegram, click that link. It will add you guys to the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits over here, and make sure you guys get these indicators before they go up. Today is your last day. I'm upping them literally tomorrow. I'm going to do YouTube videos on Friday. I'm going to answer some emails, and I'm going to up them 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Everything is fully transparent, guys. It is separate from the membership. Get this on your charts. The bundle pack is where you guys want to be at, because this will not be going up in price, but these will over the next months. Congratulations, guys. God bless. Great job for now. 46 for 46 wins. I'll keep you guys updated. Get everything set up. Come over here and follow us, and let's make some money. See you guys.